another video. So today we're at the drift park and just want to share a little bit story behind Ben and how he's been drifting and how he got into drifting. And he actually drifting really good right now. Just for a very short period, he improved a lot. Did come through Drift Academy, went to Japan and have a couple of cars built. But at the same time, it's just amazing that how in a short time frame that you can pick up a lot of skills and enjoying fun, enjoying drifting with your friends. And without further ado, I'm just gonna swing the cameras. Look at his car. Okay, so this is the Nissan 350Z. So pretty much looks pretty stock. I've got some wheels. You can see that from the outside, but apart from that, it's just got coilovers. It's got some exhaust system from Japan, and it's a pretty basic sort of setup. It's got a hydraulic handbrake, but we did fit into the bucket seat with the harnesses and a full roll cage, and looks pretty amazing. So that's the hydraulic handbrake right there with quick release. So the car is quite basic, but this 350Z is really good for learning. But everybody, this is Ben.
Hi everyone, I'm Ben. I'm joined Drift Academy on 2017 if I'm not wrong.
Oh, it's been a couple of years now.
Yes,
is
man,
it?
almost 2 years, bro.
Time flies.
Yes. And I'm a donut king, honestly, man. And then I went to Japan, Drift Academy Japan on 2017 on October with Sky and all the Drift members. And yeah, and I got my private coach by Sky and Takashi. So actually they're giving me a very good.
Yes, you learned very fast in the 3 days.
Yes.
So in the 3 days, pretty much it's just Ben and we're on the drift park here with the 350Z, and that's it. After 3 days practice, and you officially graduated.
Yes.
And enjoying drifting so much. What do you like this car, like 350Z?
350Z actually is you can push it to the limit, and actually you need to have a bit of a skill on it to push this car to the limit. Compared with the V8, it's totally different. Because the V8 got a bigger angle, and this is got a limit angle on it, so you need to control the car very, very well.
So Ben is also got an S14 which is built, and I think he's enjoying both cars, but 350Z is something very special to you.
Yes.
And good for practice. And you can drive this car for like 30 minutes without even coming out for a cool down.
Yes.
And just the reliability is very nice, right?
Yes. Yeah, bro, man.
Yeah. And looking so sharp in the suit. We're jumping for a run. We'll check out inside the 350Z. As I said, it's very basic. I'll just bring this key out. So everything is factory, in terms of the dashboard, the center console. What you see is a hydraulic handbrake right in there, and then we have a quick release of steering wheel so that he can get it in and out, because we have this roll bar and bucket seat, and it's not that much room under here to just basically in and out the car. This hydraulic handbrake install, basically we made super simple too. We made this plate which bolts onto the chassis here, and bolt on the chassis, and this hydraulic handbrake bolts onto that plate. Apart from that, the in-car is pretty much factory as. So now I'm gonna open up the bonnet, and we can check out what's been done under the bonnet. You guys will be surprised. That's probably not much. Alright, gonna open up this bonnet over here. It's been a very hot day in New Zealand here. Look at this engine bay. It is pretty much all stock apart from this HKS filter. So we have changed this and we have put a new filter in there, and it just does that. Apart from that, this engine bay is all factory. It's got 10 coilovers, even factory cooling, and it's all standard, right? And little bit battle mark in the front. Of course, when you're practicing, you got to have some of that. and this pretty much what the car looks like. Everything is factory. It's mainly just having fun, right?
Turn that shit up. Turn it up.
Alright, looking from the in-car video, you guys can see, you know, the car 350Z actually is a very good drift car, and it has the torque. You can hear the engines, not much clutch kick at all, right? You don't use a clutch and at drift park, and with the 350Z you can absolutely do it. So Ben's having really a lot of fun in the 350Z. He has learned the most in the 350Z before he moved on to the S14, and I'm just gonna say this has become a really good base for him, but for any drifters out there going to drifting. So there has been quite a lot of these cars coming out and onto drift park, and they pretty much just having fun, and with the basic modification of coilovers, lock diff, hydraulic handbrake, and if you want the safeties, and you get a bucket seat, get a roll cage, and also get a steering wheel that help you to get in and out, especially when you have bucket seat and roll cage at the same time. But anyway, so if you guys haven't subscribed to the channel, make sure you subscribe now. Simply just click the link below or click the button. Subscribe our channel, you'll be able to keep up with all the videos coming out. We are putting out contents daily. Make sure you support us too. Comment anything if you like 350Z. Comment there, or if you have another car to suggest, it's gonna be a nice straightable or a basic budget drift car, comment below. We would like to see what it is. We always want to see, you know, what are the options out there. But today is a lot of fun seeing Ben behind the wheel here, and hopefully bring you guys into what drifting a 350Z is like, and be able to get out there, get a 350Z, and have a bit of fun. So if you guys haven't checked out our budget drift build video series, we have a full build on not this 350 but onto our another 350Z, which we cover pretty much everything you need to modify. So just look out in the cars in this video, you'll be able to watch the whole series, and to basically guide yourself, or just give you some information to see, you know, what you can do to your car to make it a, you know, the budget drift car works for you. So anyway, subscribe our channel and comment and like and share, and see you guys in the next one.